Hello world, this is Sydney Guajardo with Trading Places. I'm going to do a video for those of you who are just getting started with Forex on how to pick a broker. Most Forex traders use an MT4 account, so just keep that in mind when selecting your broker. So what I did when I first started in Forex is I went online and decided to do some research on how to pick a broker. So let's do that right now. Forex broker for MT4. Let's just go with the top one, Oanda, MT4 broker, globally trusted broker. Now, one thing you want to keep in mind is when you do trade Forex, it's an international industry, and there are international brokers and there are stateside brokers. Stateside meaning that there are brokers here in the United States. Some traders feel that the United States broker are a little safer because your money is regulated under the United States government. Now, when you go abroad or to anywhere outside of the U.S. to an international broker, you may have to abide by their laws. Some traders think that that's not safe. There are thousands of international brokers, and the biggest difference, in my opinion, is that the United States offers 50-to-1 leverage. That means if you have $1 in your account, it's like $50 in your account. So you can make 50 times more money. Well, in an international broker, some of them start from $50, of course, and it goes all the way up to $1,000 leverage. Now, that may sound very intriguing, or because you can definitely make a lot more money, but you have to keep in mind that you can lose more money as well. So as part of the staff of Trading Places, it's my responsibility to tell you that we cannot give you advice on what to do. You may want to seek legal counsel, or you just may want to do a lot of research on the web. Personally, I have an Osprey account, OSPREY, and LQDFX. I haven't had any problems with them, but there may be some people that have had some problems with them. So just keep that in mind, and I just want to reiterate that we cannot give you any type of advice on that. You know, as a matter of fact, let's go to LQDFX.com. Okay, so one thing about Forex is it works better. It works best if you have a Windows computer. Now, LQDFX does offer the MetaTrader 4 platform, which can be used on an iPad or your iPhone. Now, those of you who've been around Trading Places for any amount of time can tell you that, you know, my trainings, I discourage you to take trades on your phone. I absolutely discourage it because you just don't have the tools there. So, pardon me. But LQDFX, the reason I went there is because I've used them before and I know how to navigate it pretty well. But you know, they have education, they have courses, chart analysis. You can use that too, but I'd rather you just use my system because mine has already gone through all the animation to make things a whole lot simpler for you. And the last thing I want to do is cloud your mind with other material, and then you'll know so much about Forex you can't even make a decision to take a trade. So it's called analysis paralysis. But what you do is you open an account. Just go right here. And are you an individual or a company? Do an individual. And you put your email and everything else. And I can't go any further because it'll create another account. I already have one. But what you'll do is you'll create an account, and I suggest all new students open up a demo account. Now, as far as a demo account, some of these brokers will have you, they'll give you choices on what size of demo account you want. I would choose a size that you feel comfortable trading with. So let's say you only have $1,000 in your account to use. I would use something in a demo account that's very close to 1,000, so you get a feel of what winners look like and what losers look like, and you'd be able to handle your risk management or manage your risk management a little better. So you can try on your first month or two to open up a $100,000 account and just to play with it. I want you to take trades. Just take trades. We'll show you how to do that, just so that you get your feet wet, and then we'll teach you strategy, and I want you to get to the point to where when you take a trade and make money, I want you to know how you did it. And also, if you take a trade and lose money, I also want you to know, I want you to recognize how you did it. So that's what the point of this video, or all my videos, are about. But LQDFX is very user-friendly. I don't know if you can see it right here, but they have live chat, and they're open 24 hours a day except for Sunday. But they're a great broker, and have been for me. But like I said, please, guys, do your homework. There's another brokers I've heard of called Hugo's Way, Oanda, Forex.com, Osprey. There's a bunch of them out there. Just do some research, see how they've been rated, and then go from there. Keep in mind, every broker does have different characteristics. They'll like for LQDFX, you can trade all the indices, all the commodities, all the Forex, of course, but I don't think they have crypto in their portfolio. And there are some brokers that do. So if you wanted to get to the point where you're trading cryptocurrency, we can help you with that. You may want to look for a broker that has cryptocurrencies. But anyway, so you just open your account, LQDFX. They're pretty secure. They ask for a couple of forms of ID, like front and back of your ID, and they also require a water bill. Once you do that, you'll want to download the MT4 app that goes on your desktop, and this is how you take trades. But guys, do your research, and Forex is very fun. It can be very profitable. Once again, this video will be posted on our YouTube video, or on our YouTube channel, The Trading Places. And please subscribe if you haven't. Look at our free training there. We train every day at 8 o'clock in the morning and at 6 o'clock at night Central Standard Time. And if you want to be part of our group, we have a buy now section, which is $3.99 and has a recurring payment of $99 a month. And that includes all the charting, all our indicators, all our indicators that we created. And it also comes with a Telegram channel, which you'll be part of as VIP. And we'll be sending trades throughout the day. But if you want to learn about Forex, come join the tribe. Thank you very much.